Damage is likely to... The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Cimarron County, northwestern Sherman County, northeastern Dallam County, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles north of Conlin, or 11 miles west of Stratford, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect some tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Stratford and Conlin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Dallam and Sherman,